right? This is a solar, so it's more expensive than the fixed. But you will think, we had actually customers coming in today, roofers, saying, this looks beautiful, but it looks expensive. So when I told them that this is a $400, $500 Skylight fixed,
yeah,
there's a, well, this looks actually like a $1,000 Skylight.
Hey guys, so we are here at the International Roofing Expo with our good friends at Fakro. In fact, you guys may know Fakro from this little TikTok right here that got 7+ million views.
7.8, I think, as of today.
7.8, yeah, he's paying attention. Yeah, this little ladder right here, we got this at RCAT. We happened to see your guys' stuff. It was a small booth, didn't have all this cool stuff. And then we come to find out that Fakro, while this is a cool product and obviously attic access is important, you guys are really, though, not
We're
really
the Skylight manufacturer.
It's a Skylight manufacturer.
That's
just
right.
Honestly, I think you're just a cool product manufacturer.
Thank you, appreciate it. Yeah, we've been in business for 30 years now, and we started with Skylights, deck mounted, curb mounted Skylight, roof windows in Europe. Our manufacturer is based out of Poland. This is where all our products are manufactured. So we go with quality and safety of our product. And we've been in the United States for over 15 years now. We're still making our way to make our brand popular out there. And yeah, let's, this is an attic ladder. Everybody is aware of this one, but let me show you a couple of our Skylights. Let's start maybe with balcony window. How about that?
For sure.
The balcony window, it's a Skylight that becomes a balcony window. It's something you need different. You won't find anywhere in the nation in the showroom. The way you see it right now, it's open, so it's a balcony window, but it's actually a Skylight. So what you do, you have the security buttons here. You close one section, you close the other section, and it just becomes the biggest Skylight you can get. 100 inches in length, 37 in width. Because this is a typical European, in Europe actually, they call them roof windows, although this is still a balcony window. The roof windows are installed on attics.
Right.
In Europe, a lot of people are using attic as a living space. So as you know, by nature, all of the heat, all of the cooking, right, everything goes up. So what it does, it stays in the attic. So what it is, it's in Europe very popular are pivot windows. This is actually also a pivot window. So what it does, you can have it pivot so it's ventilation. Not only that, you can actually flip it all the way and use it as a maintenance to clean the glass. Otherwise, just leave it like this for ventilation purposes if it's on the attic, or just keep it closed or open, just like this. It becomes a balcony. Secured, comes with the railing. Very important, the railing is hidden inside. Very important that this is only suitable for pitches between 35 to 55 degrees. So before any project manager works on to installing this, you have to keep this in mind way ahead of the time. To make the roof pitch suitable for that particular unit. The reason is to make sure that this lines up straight. Cool. I don't know, John, if you noticed, but while I was doing this, I was literally walking not on the display, but I was walking on a walkable Skylight. So you can jump on it, walk on it. It's only suitable for flat roof application. It has 5 layers of glass, laminated glass. This is triple laminated glass here. Thermo insulated, so this comes automatically pre-installed, or actually I should say pre-manufactured. No assembly is needed. Thermal insulation, what it does, it avoids condensation. So with this unit, we avoided condensation 99%. A lot of people are complaining for flat roofs about condensation. We have eliminated that with thermal insulation as well as thermal bridge, so it breathes. There's airflow going there. This is good for application for homes that have flat roof deck, garden, so it avoids the curb. Yeah. This is good for restaurants, bars out there that would like to have a walkable Skylight installed. So we're using it actually a smartphone technology here. So there is no frame on top of the glass. glass. Take a look at the cross section here. So there's a 1-inch seal right here that is touching the glass, so there's no way that the water is going to get through here. This is where the ice and water shield, TPO material on the flat roof or on the pitch roof, you have to use our flashing to go here. There's no way that the water is going to get through that 2-inch seal. This is where the drywall goes in. Thermal bridge right here, so the Skylight is breathing, so it's avoid condensation. Moisture. And the same here, warm spacer, that is plastic, not aluminum, it's plastic, so it doesn't attract condensation. So you will never have a customer calling and saying, hey, my Skylight is leaking. And this one, what we are showing at today's show, it's a solar vented. They come fixed or solar vented currently. And we also have a new feature, which is our solar internal solar blind as well. There's a remote control for the Skylight, and the same remote control controls the blinds as well. So you have different channels you can choose from to go with. This one opens 15 degrees, so enough ventilation there. And like I mentioned on my cross section, the water condensation management system. So if the condensation happens, the water automatically by nature goes down. We have different types of colors you can choose. This one actually, it's a blackout blind. Color green, because our color is green, as you can see. We do have 3 options currently. We have 4% transparency for blinds, and we also have 10%. Okay. So depending on the area you live in, you can actually choose your transparency. So this Skylight is suitable for pitches from 0 to 60 degrees. Wow. So from 0 to 15 degrees, you don't have to use our flashing kit. You can use TPO, you can use whichever material roofing, ice and water shield, to use it on the flat roof up to 15 degrees. Anything above 15 degrees, you do have to use our flashing kit. So a lot of roofers nationwide don't realize that the curb mounted Skylight can be installed on the pitch roof. They automatically go to deck mounted Skylight. Not anymore. You can go actually with a curb mounted Skylight on the pitch roof.
Like this is new. This is modern.
This is smartphone technology, and
so solid too.
If you compare, this is my smartphone, Apple. You can see it actually looks alike. It's like a mini, right?
So if you want your Skylight to look like a smartphone, Fakro.
The cool feature about this ladder is that the way it operates, right? You secure it. It's safe. Close the lid, that's all it takes. It comes with white trim, it comes with paintable white door, or actually it's already painted. It comes with the installation brackets. This is a cool feature that actually was not shown in the video, that how easy it is to open.
So the stick comes with it too?
Yeah, this is aluminum control rod that actually comes with the unit, the control rod, that's what we call it. The first thing you want to notice, the quality of the door. It's thermal insulated. It actually got 5.2 R value for the people that are into R value. So what it does is actually, in home, it keeps your heat inside rather than exiting through the roof. Yeah. If you do have a ladder, attic ladder, with 1/4-inch plywood, immediately replace it, because you are losing energy. You are losing a lot of energy and automatically money.
Yeah.
What this is, when you open it, it's still secured. It's not going to come down on you. Even when you remove this is specially designed control rod that there's a ring to open it. Even when you remove from the hooks, you can let it go. This ladder is going to stay in one spot. And then you bring it. This is the best part of the ladder. It's how easy it's to open it. It will adjust itself to the height of the ceiling. 350 pounds capacity, and John, to be honest with you, I didn't share this with you yet, but because of your video, the TikTok video that you had 7.8 million views, we actually saw the comments. A lot of people were saying it's flimsy, it's not good for someone it's 300, for the bigger guys out there. We just got approved for 400 pounds. This is a 400 pounds. Starting 2022, this will be capacity at 400 pounds.
Go to the buffet, you're good.
I know I'm not 400, but this is how steady it is. It's metal, not plastic. Non-slippery steps. This is very safe. This is the safest attic ladder you guys will find out there. There's no way. And this is available worldwide. We as a Fakro, we are in 54 countries currently. You have these rings. There's no handrail because you use the rings to go up and down. A lot of people were saying, well, you cannot fit the tree, the Christmas tree through that because this is for demo purposes. We actually offer 7 different sizes for this particular unit. The smallest that we offer is 22.5 by 31. The biggest, 30 by 54. You can fit a water heater, especially on the Texas market. They're very popular on the Texas market, how easy it is.
Yeah.
We go to trade show, International Builder Show, International Roofing Expo, all the local shows. Maintenance people actually come to us and say, thank you for this product because how easy it is to go up and down and carry a water heater, furnace. You can fit it through a 30 by 54. Besides that, we offer 11 different models. We are the biggest manufacturer in the world of attic ladders. No one offers 11 different models, from luxury, basic, premium, fire rated, thermal insulated with 12.5 R value. Please check out our website for all of these products that we manufacture.
Cool.
So this one right here, this is our egress window, which in translation it's emergency exit window, or skylight you can call it here in the United States. What it does, it actually opens for easy access to the roof. Mainly, the skylight is used for emergency exits, but also for maintenance, roof maintenance. So if you ask yourself how many times you have to go to the roof to do, I don't know, clean up leaves, maybe some branches, you have to put a traditional industrial ladder to go. Sometimes you're going to damage your gutters. You can actually exit through this skylight. So let me show you how it operates. Enough room to fit through. We offer bigger sizes as well. So like I said, mainly for emergency exits. A lot of people don't even realize that this product exists on the market because if they think about skylight, either vented or just fixed, not operable. This is emergency exit or maintenance access. Obviously, it has to be access. So this will be only suitable for that attic, that you have an access to that attic somehow, some way, through the attic ladder, or use it as a living space, whoever is using as a living space, and they can use them. A couple of years ago, there was a flooding in the New Orleans area, tornado, so the water was actually going up, and actually people were exiting to the attic thinking that they're going to survive. The water actually got so high that they got to the attic, and unfortunately there was no exit. This could be a great for emergency exit in the situation, dangerous situation, just like like they had in New Orleans there. This particular model that we are showing here at the International Roofing Expo, it's a solar vented deck mounted skylight. What the cool feature about this, that it's vented, it opens about 15 degrees. It's got rain sensors here, that if it feels rain, moisture, it will actually close by itself if you don't stand by it. So you can leave it open, go shopping, and then come back. The skylight will be closed if it actually has the, if it feels moisture. This particular one comes with the remote control, and this one operates both the skylight, and we actually, I don't know if you notice here, you might ask, oh, this is a solar vented, the solar is actually over there. This is actually for a solar outside shade.
Yeah, I like it.
The reason, a lot of people are asking, well, what's the reason of putting it outside? You know, it's weather, and there is a good and down point for this. The biggest factor for this one, it's 8 times more efficient than the standard blind on the inside. Because why? Because it doesn't heat up the glass. So we recommend this blind here that for states like California, Florida, Texas, where you guys get temperatures of 100 degrees, you can cover the whole skyline. Currently, this is the only unit you see. There's no manufacturer, as far as we know, that manufactured this particular unit. It's a roof access skylight that has triple glaze laminated glass, thermal bridge again, with insulation inside. 2 warm spacers that are plastic. So again, with this unit, we avoided condensation 99%. So we're gonna close it. It locks.
So
it's got
beautiful.
the same look as the curb mounted skylight, so we call it infinity glass. Not only looks amazing, but it's also good quality. A lot of roofers are complaining with standard traditional roof hatches that when they opening, they're so heavy that the hatch gear is so heavy that they're literally flying with with the door.
Right.
Here you can actually release it because it's got installed springs, so you can let it go because it's got the springs that will hold it. Easy to open, easy to close. All you have to do is just walk in. We offer, this is our model DRF. We do offer the same technology in terms of thermal insulation, but metal. Because we are the manufacturer of attic ladders, we have a system, the only system in the world actually manufactured that have a system combining attic ladder with the metal roof access.
Right.
So if you combine these two, you literally, your access to the roof becomes invisible until you open the attic ladder and you access to the roof. Only applicable for flat roofs up to 15 degrees.
This is amazing. These products are beautiful. I've never seen.
I appreciate that, John.
Like, I think Skylights. Everyone thinks Skylights. They think the traditional, poorly built, looks pretty generic, ugly Skylight. These are beautiful and they're so functional. They have so many cool features that I never even imagined. Like I'm thinking in my mind, where can I put Skylights in my house right now? Because I want these in my house.
I appreciate the comments, and I know you've been seeing a lot of vendors, so I appreciate your comments. I know you work with a lot of roofers out there. I appreciate your recommendation because those are really good quality Skylights.
If you're a roofer and you want to put these on, like you can upsell this so hard, and it sets you apart as a very unique roofer that has these unique products for your customers. Huge win for the industry, great win for you guys.
Appreciate it.
Ultimately, a massive win for the customer.
Just to let you know, we as a manufacturer, we've been in business for 30 years, and we still, even today at the trade show, at the International Roofing Expo, we still had some roofers saying, we never heard about you.
Yeah.
Which is good and bad thing at the same time. That means that we need more of marketing, advertising, that there is another option for skylights, for roof hatches, egress windows, as a matter of fact, deck, curb-mounted skylights, and attic ladders as well.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, John. Yep. Appreciate it.
Absolutely, sir. Thanks so much for watching today's show. Make sure to like and subscribe our pages so that you can stay up to date with every episode. And by the way, this show is all about you, the American contractor. Be sure to comment and let us know what you want to hear about and what subjects you want us to touch on. We'll be sure to include them in a future episode. Thanks again, and I hope you have a great day.